Last couple of days have been hectic, guys. Madness, I would say. The number of launches happened right in this festive period. On top of that, Amazon and Flipkart ka sale, it was total chaos for me. And in the middle of all this, I actually missed some reviews only. So today in the house, we have this new phone from Lava. This is a all new Blaze Pro 5G, just launched like few days ago, and I actually forgot to do the unboxing. So today in this video, we'll be unboxing and checking out all these features. This is like an affordable 5G segment phone, and the pricing is only around like 13,000 rupees, guys, but it actually packs very interesting features. You're getting a big 6.7-inch 1080p resolution, 120 Hz IPS LCD display. Pair that with Dimensity 6020 chipset CPU, and you're also getting like 50 megapixel camera, up to 16 GB RAM, 128 GB UFS 2.2 storage. Plenty of interesting features are there. And on top of that, guys, made in India phone. Yeah, apna Indian brand hai. So I'm pretty excited to unbox and talk about this product in this video. Let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Our brand new Lava Blaze Pro 5G came in this sort of box packaging. This phone is available in two different colors. You get a Starry Night Edition, Radiant Pearl is there. We have the Starry Night Edition, and the configuration is 8 plus 128 GB. But not to worry, RAM is also virtually expandable. We'll talk about all the features once I unbox and get to the point in this video. At the back of the packaging, you can have a look at all the specs and highlights. Main highlight is the display. It comes with a 6.78-inch Full HD plus 120 Hz IPS display, and it's powered by Dimensity 6020 5G chipset, and not to forget 50 megapixel dual camera setup as well. So those were some of its main highlights. Quickly getting started with the unboxing. Bhai, you're getting a free case included in the package. I do have to say case quality is nice. It's a silicone clear case. Keeping that aside, now let's finally check out the phone we've been waiting for. Lava's all new Blaze Pro 5G. Oh boy, Starry Night Edition in the hand, and bhai, it actually looks pretty nice for this price point. And along with that, you're also getting a 33-watt fast Type-C charger included in the package, and lastly a Type-C cable for charging the phone. So that's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me give you a closer look at the phone, and first talk about the design and build quality part. It looks quite beautiful for this price point. Ekdam premium wali feel. Look at the side profile as well. Flat side design, flat edges. And anyways, let me give you like a quick physical overview. On the front, you're getting a 6.7 inches 1080p resolution 120 Hz LCD display. We'll talk about the panel quality and everything in a moment. At the top side, you're getting an 8 megapixel selfie camera followed by an earpiece, and as I've told you, there is no free screen guard included over here. You'll have to buy that separately. It is definitely a bit on the chunky side because you're getting 5000 mAh battery, right? I think it's around 8.96 mm thickness. You're getting an integrated fingerprint scanner in the power button, and volume rocker quality is also nice. Going to the top, you're having a secondary noise cancellation microphone, and on the other side you have your SIM card tray. It supports 5G nano SIM cards, and all Indian 5G bands are supported on this model. Going to the bottom side, here you have your Type-C port for charging, primary mic is there, 3.5mm headphone jack is also available, and a single mono down pharynx speaker. And there you go, boys. Here's how the back profile of the phone looks like. Yeah, I have to say, for this price point, Blaze Pro 5G looks quite premium. I love this Starry Night Edition color. It gives you that sparkly sort of glittery effect, especially when light falls on it. You have your Lava 5G branding on the bottom side, and at the top you have your dual camera setup. Primary one is your 50 megapixel camera, and the secondary one is just your AI depth sensing one. And yes, you're also getting a LED flashlight included as well. Camera bump is also minimum. Let me just quickly give you a side profile look. So not bad. If you put on a case na, kuch bhi farak nahi padega. So that's it. And talking about the weight, this thing weighs around like 203 grams, so pretty lightweight and comfortable to hold in the hand. And the whole thing is powered by a 5000 mAh battery. So those were the main highlights and complete overview on the design and build quality part. I'll quickly set up the phone, use it for some time, and then be right back to continue this video. Setup वेटअप सब हो गया, guys. I've been using the phone for quite some time, and now I'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback on this model. Make sure to watch it till the end. First of all, let's quickly put this fingerprint reader to a test. You're getting a side mounted fingerprint reader, and as you can see in the video, it was actually performing very well. Quick and accurate. I was not expecting this for the price point. Anyways, here's how the display on the Blaze Pro 5G looks like. Beautiful looking display from initial impressions. Look at the bezels as well. Very minimum bezels on the sides and the top, and on the bottom you do have a bit of chin, but again, hey, acceptable for this price point. And I do have to mention, display actually looks pretty nice, colorful, and also bright. We'll come and talk about that in a moment. Anyways, here's how the home screen and software experience on it looks like. Lava Blaze Pro 5G is powered by Android version 13 out of the box and has a very clean operating system. No bloatware, guys. Look at this. And the overall experience is also like buttery smooth, all thanks to that 120 hertz high refresh rate. Only two extra applications are there apart from Google, which is Lava Guide and Lava Care. Basically like user manual and service for your phone, guys. That's it. No bloatware, nothing. Lot of people definitely will appreciate this experience. And also, as you can see, performance is also pretty good. Muska performance, either it be closing, opening, transition of apps, everything feels pretty nice. So let's quickly head over to the settings. Phone does support dual band Wi-Fi, both 2.4G and 5 GHz networks are supported. And going to the display, you got plenty of settings. Adaptive brightness settings are there, night light mode is available. You can even tweak the display a bit, like the color mode settings, normal, vivid, as per your requirements. And screen refresh rate adjustment options are also there. You can switch between 60 Hz, 120 Hz, and a dynamic mode is also available. Going to the about phone section, there you go. I've told you now, this is 8 plus 128GB configuration. Out of the box, 26GB has been used even despite installing PUBG and a couple of other apps, and you're still left with plenty of space. And not to forget, you can even expand the storage using a micro SD card as well. And yes, virtual RAM expansion is also there. So along with your 8GB on board, you can expand it up to extra 8GB. Totally 16GB RAM plus 128GB configuration. So that was basically about the software experience over here. Very nice overall initial impressions. What I'll do is I'll quickly open up YouTube, play some videos over here, just have a look at them, and then we'll talk about the display and speaker quality as well.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the Hall of Shame.
As I've told you, this phone features a large 6.7-inch display, 1080p resolution, and that too it's an IPS LCD display. And best part about it is you're getting 120 Hz high refresh rate support at this price point. And let me tell you, I've watched a variety of content over here, and display quality is actually very good considering the price point. Good amount of detail. 1080p resolution at this size offers you like crisp and clear detail, either it be text or any sort of content that you're watching. Even the colors were nice, color accuracy, color reproduction, everything were like on point. Contrast levels, black levels are also decent thanks to that IPS panel, and brightness is also pretty good, I would say. See, for a day-to-day sort of usage, right, this is more than enough. Overall viewing angles are also nice, again because it's an IPS level display, right? The phone's display is also Widevine L1 certified, so you can enjoy all your movies or maybe like TV shows on Netflix with the best quality results at up to 1080p resolution. Only downside I found during my testing is phone's display doesn't support HDR, guys, so you cannot watch HDR related content. Keeping that aside and talking about the speaker quality, you're getting only a single down-firing mono speaker is there, but audio quality is good. Good amount of clarity was there, all dialogues were like crisp and clear, easily understandable. Distortion was also minimum, and output was also loud and satisfactory only, I would say. Moving on, let's also talk about the performance. I haven't told you about the CPU, right? Blaze Pro 5G is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 6020 chipset. It's a 5G octa-core chipset and has a max clock rates of up to 2.2 GHz. Offers really good day-to-day sort of performance. As you can see, complemented by that 120 Hz high refresh rate display, everything just glides on this phone over here. App openings, closings, even the transitions, everything is like buttery smooth over here and is actually very responsive, guys. So that I'll definitely have to appreciate. Lava has done a good job over here. If you talk about the benchmarks, I've run a couple of benchmarks. On Antutu, this phone was easily given around 350,000 plus score, and on Geekbench, here are the results. Just have a look at them. Just for a comparison sake, Dimensity 6020 offers better performance than Snapdragon 4 Gen 1 variant of the CPU, but slightly falls behind this Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 variant of the CPU. For this price point, I really wish Lava could have gone for at least Dimensity 6080. That would have offered like slightly better performance and results as well. But TK, if you consider the overall package, you're getting 120Hz display, 50 megapixel camera is also there, up to 16GB RAM and UFS 2.2 storage. I think it's a very well balanced overall phone. You can easily play lots of your favorite games like BGMI, Asphalt 9, all of these are very well performing on this phone. I'll give you a quick gameplay demo as well. Right now we're playing BGMI, and going to the graphics settings, you can play this game at both balanced or HD graphics, totally up to you. And the max frame rate it supports is Ultra, which is 40 FPS at balanced settings, and if you switch it to HD graphics, you'll only get like high 30 FPS option. But anyways, overall gameplay experience was nice. I played back to back 2 matches, and that too almost up to like 30-35 minutes. And gaming performance was good, as you can see, even up to like 40 FPS frame rate, right? Everything felt pretty smooth. I didn't face any sorts of lags or stutters over here, and I had like a satisfactory experience for this price point. Again, this is not like a detailed performance or benchmarks, right? We'll do that separately maybe in like a second video. We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the camera performance as well. Blaze Pro 5G has dual camera setup. Primary one is a 50 megapixel camera and the other one is a simple depth sensor, guys, AI depth sensor. And here's how the camera layout looks like. Pretty similar, just like the recent other lava phones we've seen. You've got plenty of options. Night shot is there, video recording. And coming to the video recording part, this phone supports up to 2K resolution video recording with the EIS support. Electronic image stabilization is also there, but at only 30 fps frame rate. Even in 1080p resolution, you're getting only 30 fps. In the photo settings as well, by default the camera will shoot pictures at only 12 megapixel resolution. If you go to the more option settings, here you have a special mode called as UHD. When you select that, then only you will get that 50 megapixel option. Just have a look at these samples that I shot in my backyard. You'll get an idea on the picture quality and also video recording quality as well. Well, that is pretty much it. Our quick unboxing and review on Lava's all new Blaze Pro 5G smartphone. I'll be using this phone for some more days before I actually share my in-depth review. In the in-depth review, I'll be covering more in detail about the display quality. We'll go in-depth and talk about the gaming performance and other benchmarks as well, plus camera quality, and lastly battery life will also be covered. If you people have any sort of questions that you would like to know, let me know quickly in the comment section before I actually finish my review part. And finally, coming to the pricing details. So during the introductory sale period, phone's price was only around like 12,499 rupees or something. Right now the phone is costing around like 13,999. I really wish brand would have kept the same introductory price offer only. It would have been much more value for money and actually like a really good 5G phone in this segment. So that's it. I'll leave links for the phone in the description box below. You can check it out there. What do you people think about this smartphone? Share your thoughts in the comment section as well. And that's it. If you all enjoyed watching this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.